Hi friends, today we will talk about some of the benefits of sweet potatoes. Friends, sweet potatoes has many health benefits and loaded with lot of vitamins and minerals. In India we call it shakarkandi also. Sweet potatoes are nutritious and delicious root vegetables and are good for our eyes and increase eye vision as they are rich in vitamin A, etc. Sweet potatoes can also help manage diabetes as it is categorized as low to high on the glycemic index scale, and several studies has indicated that it can minimize the occurrence of insulin resistance and lower blood sugar level as well as high blood sugar in people who are suffering from diabetes. Sweet potatoes contain anti-inflammatory activity and it contains a significant amount of vitamins, most of which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, and also sweet potatoes can help guide against ulcers. Sweet potatoes can help improve hair and skin. Also mentioned above, sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E. Studies have shown that dietary consumption or supplementation of vitamin E has the potential of significantly increase hair number in individuals who are suffering from hair loss. So as sweet potatoes has so many health benefits, so it is always suggested to add it to your daily diet routine. I hope you find this information useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.